Okay guys, I wasn't going to do this, but after seeing the product, I decided I would quickly. Pongo has been throwing a 420 and a 430 code, catalytic converter issues. I replaced both sides downstream O2 sensor with new ones, figured 271,000 miles. It was due. It worked for several thousand miles running shell gas. Then I went back to my normal gas station and the light came back on. So could be a gas problem, but every time the light comes on, you get the traction control light off and you also lose cruise control. So I'm gonna fix it temporarily until I order new cats. Everybody's heard of the O2 sensor defowlers. You can pick them up at your parts store, 10 bucks for 2 of them. And all you do is install it between your exhaust pipe and your O2 sensor. It moves the sensor out of the airstream a little bit. There's still a hole, so something's getting through, and it turns off the light for you. However, on the passenger side, where the sensor, O2 sensor is on top of the exhaust, it hits part of a body pan, a floor plan. So you have to do a 90-degree. That's a much harder thing to find. I searched forever and finally found the Mini Catalizador online. You can't buy it on Amazon or Summit Racing. You had to order directly from the company. 35-ish bucks shipped, and took quite a few days to get here, but I was impressed. First, it comes in this cool yellow box, and it is stout. It is heavy. But before we crawl under the truck, the normal O2 sensor, as you probably know if you're watching this at all, is 22 millimeters. So take out the old one with the 22 millimeter, screw the new one in. This one, 22 fits nothing. We're going to screw this into the exhaust pipe and then tighten this down to hold it tight. Makes sense. It is bigger than a 26, so I didn't have anything bigger than that. So we're gonna have to use our crescent wrench to tighten that down one under there. Interestingly to me, this piece also unscrews. It's a 24, so this will unscrew completely. But I don't know why. If anybody in the comments knows why this would unscrew, because we're going to have to unclip the O2 sensor anyways to screw it in. Don't forget your never sees and only use Denso products. Okay, this one's just left over from when I installed the O2 sensors, but it was cool that it was labeled. And we'll spin it on till it's all the way tight, and then back it off to get the angle we want. I don't want there. I'll spin it to here, and now we'll tighten that up, this collar. Alright, there it is installed. See the 90-degree angle, O2 sensor, cable up out of the way, heat shield good. Let's go clear the code. Success! No check engine light. Now we just have to see if it holds.